Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today we have this beautiful short natural haircut that meticulously graduated transitions from ultra short size to a longer crown. And this style will give your haircut that architectural precision and artistic detailing. Another beautiful thing about the style is that the intricate patterns are just shaved into the shorter sections for that personal expression through those geometric details, because the hairstyle will always blend that dramatic length contrast between the sections and your defined path line. I love the style because you can see the versatile top sections can be styled in multiple ways, and it's that statement short natural hairstyle that will really create that bold look you want and create that focal point, at the back of the head, and introduce that intentional asymmetry for that visual interest. I love the style because it's another beautiful ways of involving those thin styling techniques, when it comes to your thin closely cropped afro strand for that extremely low maintenance and that easy definition, because you can see how the coils are very short, which makes them that perfect starter style after a big chop that will always beautifully frame your face. So it's really an Afrocentric short natural hairstyles that often features those different lengths for maximum personalization, because the longer tiny Winnie Afro version often makes with twists, sometimes extends to about 4 to 5 inches, that offers that timeless style and celebrates your natural hair volume and texture. So with this, let me let you guys to please about the rest of the styles we have. I want to say a big thank you to every one of you. God bless you guys, and still look to wear the styles for more beautiful short natural haircuts coming your way in the next.
Many girls is where they want it, and baby boy, you know your heart I have it. Even when I beg to be in my orbit. Shakata yakata love a ruler car. So baby, I'm begging, please. So me say Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby? Oh yeah, Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby? Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa. Many girls is where they want it, and baby boy, you know your heart I have it. Even when I beg to be in my orbit. Shakata yakata love a ruler car. So baby, I'm begging, please. So me say Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby? Oh yeah, Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will you be my baby, baby, Jawa, baby? Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa.
S cool on the beat.
One time, Timmy was a 42 person web on you. I never want to try lose you, try them up on me. Well, I know fit tired for your matter, like say I know do. Suddenly, man down for only you. Many men they try to want me. I know really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you. Baby, no go whine them, just they whiny. Many girls they try to want me. I know really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you. Baby, no go whine them, just they whiny. So me say Joe, look look into my eyes, oh baby, Jawa, will live in my heart, baby, Jawa, Jawa, yeah, Jawa, Jawa, look into my eyes, oh baby, will live in my heart, baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa, my baby, Jawa, Jawa, Jawa. Jawa, my baby Jawa, my baby Jawa. One time, the request of only 2 person were on you. I never want to try lose you, try them up on me. Well, I know fit time for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to harm me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls try to harm you. Maybe not go whine them just they whiny. Many girls try to whine me. I don't really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls try to whine you. Maybe not go whine them, just they whiny. So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, Joe, will live in my heart, baby, Joe, yeah, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, will live in my heart, baby, Joe. Jawa, my baby Jawa, my baby Jawa, Jawa, yeah, baby. I don't want you to leave me alone, but I wanna be on my own. Pick up the phone and I tell you, baby, how I'm feeling. These past few nights you've been feeling so alone, and I know it ain't easy, but it's up not die, oh baby boy, you know I'm feeling. I'll let you know if I don't want to again. Not tryna disturb you, not tryna stress you. I'll let you know if I don't want to again. No go disturb you, I no go stress you. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. All the mommy anytime when I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your mind too. I can't let you go.